What's the meaning of Bloody Mary? Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is a well-known cocktail made with vodka, tomato juice, and various spices and flavorings. However, the phrase Bloody Mary also has other meanings. One of the most common meanings refers to a supernatural legend involving a ghostly figure that appears in the mirror when her name is called 3 times. This game is often played at sleepovers and is said to summon the spirit of a woman who died tragically, causing her to seek revenge on those who summoned her. In some cultures, the term Bloody Mary is also used to refer to Queen Mary I of England, who was known for her persecution of Protestants during her reign.